my gosh.
And that goes on top, the piece that she has now. And it has fish. Wow, it's your boat.
More stuff. Want to open the stuff?
This one?
Oh, there's two things.
She's making you really work for your, work for your wage today.
Ooh. I saw this at Barnes & Noble.
Grouchy ladybug.
It's a book.
Buck. Buck.
Yeah. Oh, what about this one? Yes.
Oh, that one's fun.
Ooh.
Wow!
Look at this.
Yeah, it's your
Neat.
flashcards. All your numbers. 1, 2, 3.
We'll
Go,
never
go,
run
go.
out of stuff to do now. All this.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. What's in there?
Oh, it's more of the little set. Yeah.
Wow, Viv. Oh, in a little pot.
Can I take your pad? Sounds really funny.
Yeah.
What's in here? Oh.
At least she kind of puts things down now. For the longest time, she just takes stuff and be like,
Yeah, it was so funny. Earlier we were coloring, and then she just take her picture and throw and go, uh-oh, and then throw her cream and be like, uh-oh. I was like, no uh-oh.
yeah, everything is uh-oh now.
Yeah. So cute.
Oh, that's for the boat too.
Neat.
That's for your tub
That's
toy.
exciting.
For your bath, yes. Yeah, for your bath. Yeah. Here, let me unstick that one for you. Can I help? Hold on. Oh, you want Caitlin to help? Can Caitlin help you?
Thank you. So cute. There.
See, Viv. What's next? You said her name really well that time, Viv.
Whoa. Neat.
Ooh.
What does this one say? Yeah.
Those are for your drum.
There's more of it here too.
Oh, and the blocks.
That looks like so much fun.
Look at that. Yeah, you look at that. You can put all the paper in here. Come check your blocks out.
I'm like in a pile of paper.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Viv. Whoa. Okay, Mommy's going to unwrap these for you.
Whoa.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Wow, Viv. Yeah. And what's this one? Oh,
Oh.
your comb. She's like, I'm gonna go take a bath now, I think.